have just had a very small slice of this heavenly bread that I made at home. It's Brooke Ervin's cheesy loaf. Holy moly, it's so good. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tammy and this is the Tamlyn non-reset method. In today's video, I am making Brooke Ervin's cheesy bread. I've never made bread before, and this recipe appealed to me because she doesn't knead the dough. This recipe is so easy. There's only one thing left to do. That's for me to taste it, but for you to watch how I make it. Stay tuned to the end to see the taste test. I need 341 grams of warm water, and that will be 1.5 cups of warm water. 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast. I need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and that is the same as 406 grams. A teaspoon of salt. For seasoning, I'm going to use some Italian herbs. And now we mix. Mixed. And now I need 2 cups of cheese, grated with my new Temu cheese grater. Now I'm going to grease the bowl with some olive oil. Ta-da! It was really difficult for me to get the olive oil to coat the base because this dough is really wet, but I'm trusting the process. I am about to put some washing into the tumble dryer, and I'm going to cover this with a cloth, and I'm going to leave it for 1.5 hours in a warm temperature, which is the tumble dryer in the kitchen, and I'm going to go for a walk. I just got back from my walk. It's rainy today, but it was really nice to finally get outside. I've been sick for a few days, so let's check on this dough. It has definitely risen. The conversion of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it is 232 degrees Celsius, so let's put the oven on, and then while I'm preheating the oven, I'm going to put my baby Dutch oven inside to heat up like she does. The only thing is mine is not round, so I think it's a little bit bigger, but I think it'll be okay. I hope. That is now preheating in the oven. It's been about 15 minutes and I am taking the baby Dutch oven out the oven. That is really hot now. Parchment paper, dough, it is really sticky. But it looks so light and fluffy. And that's how it looks. I'm going to just quickly trim those edges because I feel like that's quite unsafe. Time to put the lid on. And then put this back in the oven. It has been 20 minutes And oh wow, that is looking fantastic. I have now taken the lid off and I'm going to put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes just so this top can get nice and crispy. The first 5 minutes didn't work, so I put it in for another 5. This was in the oven for 10 minutes without the lid and it looks so beautiful. But it smells even better. I cannot wait to cut into this and try it. I am just gonna give it a minute to cool because this is so hot. It's now time for the taste test, so let's see. How did I do? Oh, that looks so good. One of my most favorite things in the whole entire world is hot, fresh bread with butter. I feel like that's too much butter for this little piece. A little bit of butter, and this is cut 2 moments ago. Let's let it melt on here just a little bit. The steam is literally rising. Smells really good. This is delightful. It is cheesy. It's herby. It's soft. It's crunchy. It's delicious. You have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, comment, or even better, subscribe. I'm having another slice of my homemade bread while it's still hot. It is supposed to be going with soup this evening. I'm waiting for Paul to get home. Yum! It's so good.